Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, itutuloy natin yung ating series about variation, no? And kung sinusundan nyo yung ating series, ang pinag-uusapan natin ay about inverse variation, no? So in this video, ang gagawin natin ay magsasolve tayo ng word problems about variation. So tingnan natin yung unang problem, no? If 8 men can paint a house in 15 days, how long will it take 12 men to finish the same work, no? So this is an inverse variation. Kasi syempre, mas marami yung number of men mo, mas iiksi yung work, no? And remember, yung same work, no? Ito yung pinaka-constant natin, no? So sabi natin, pag inverse variation, ang pwede natin gamitin equation ay y equals k over x, no? Or xy equals k, no? Ang dalawang to equivalent equations siya kasi pag minultiply ko yung x sa y dito, so ang matitira na lang sa kanan ko ay k. So this is the same equation as this one. Okay. So equivalent pala. Equivalent dito. Okay, so using the given, no, if we let x be equal to the number of men and y be equal to the number of days, then we have y equals k over x. And yung y natin is 15, di ba? Kasi yung number of days natin, 15 equals k over x, number of men. So 8 siya. Meaning, if you multiply 8 by both sides, no? Or if we multiply both sides by 8, we have 8 times 15 equals k, no? Pag multiply ko lang ng 8, makakancel yung 8 natin dito. K na lang matitira. So my k is equal to 120. Pag minultiply mo yung 8 tsaka 15, 120 yan, no? Okay, so pag nakuha na natin yung k, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute sa original equation. We have y equals 120 over x, no? Kasi yung k natin ay 120 at sinubstitute natin dito. Kaya siya naging 120 over x. Okay, so ang x naman natin susunod, how long will it take 12 men to finish the same work? Ang x naman natin sa susunod ay 12. So y equals 120 over 12. No? Remember, yung x is number of men and 12 here is a number of men. So meaning y equals 10. Ibig sabihin, pag 12 men ang gagawa ng same work kanina, ay ibig sabihin 10 days lang nila gagawin. Kanina kasi 15 days, di ba? Yung sa una, pag 8. Okay? If you want to use the other equation, yung xy equals, okay, pwede din naman, no? So, ang x and y natin, given na. Yung x natin ay 8, no? 8 times 15, no? Is equal to k, di ba? Meaning, k is equal to 120. Kita na natin dito, k is 120. And then, we substitute k, yung value ng k dito. So, magiging xy equals 120. And dun sa problem natin, 12 men. So, magiging 12y siya kasi yung x natin is number of men equals 120. And dividing both sides by 12, y na lang matitira dito. Dividing this by 12, magiging 10. So, pareho lang naman. Pareho lang magiging sagot. Depende na sa inyo kung anong gusto yung gamitin. Okay? So, next problem. This is a very similar problem. We have if 48 men can do a piece of work in 24 hours, in how many hours will 12 men complete the same work? This is not days, this is hours. Okay? So, again, yung x natin dito, pwede nating number of man. And yung 24 days. Sorry. This is also days. Sorry. This is not hours. This is days. Kasi days yun nandito pala natin. So, days. And our y here is number of days. So, 48 men and 24 days. So, this is 48. Okay natin ay xy, di ba? xy equals k, binaliktad ko lang. So, ang K natin is 48 men times 24 hours. Ilan yon? Okay. We can compute later, no? And then, yung sa pangalawang given natin, we have 12 men to complete the same work. So, anyway, 48 times 24. Siguro i-calculator na lang natin para mabilis. So, calculator. Okay, so 48 times 24. 48 times 24. 1152. So, K is 1152. Meaning, we substitute 1152 dun sa K, no? Well, K, XY equals K. 1152 and 12 men, X natin is 12Y equals 1152. And Y equals 1152 over 12. So actually, pwede kang bumalik dito na 48 times 24 over 12. This is 1152, di ba? Para madali mag-cancel. So pwede tayo mag-cancel dito, magiging 4 yan. Divide natin by 12, magiging 4 divided by 1 natin by 12, magiging 1. 4 times 24 is 96. No? So, kailangan natin ng 96 days if 12 men will work on this piece of work. Okay, so that's it. I hope meron ka natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ko invite sa Sipnayan, yung ating YouTube channel. No? So, ito yung ating URL, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. No? Or kaya pwede rin kayo punta sa sipnayan.com, yung ating website. And then, pwede kayo mag-explore. Please invite your friends. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.